Huh, that's kind of cool, isn't it? Didn't know that was there. What? Huh? Just checking out the train area. Yeah, buddy. There we go. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh, that was there. Check the vultures or something. Huh. Trying to find this lake that's supposed to be back here. I don't know if I have public access or not. Guess we hopefully gonna find out. Yes, I hear you, Nacho. I think I need to turn left here. What do you think? Huh? I know, Washington. That should be the straight shot. I know. Let's see if we can find it this way. Oop, a long stretch there. Oops, sorry, buddy. Hang on. We're going. All right, people. Just be want to safe out there.